Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Orpat alarm clock and confirming basic display. Plug the AC adapter into a live 100-240V outlet and check the backlight. This ensures stable operation. Once powered, press mode to enter time setting and use the plus and minus buttons to set hours and minutes. This locks accurate time for alarms. Make sure to insert the CR2032 backup battery so the clock retains settings during outages. These steps prevent misset alarms and lost configurations. Once the time is correct, program your alarms for reliable waking. Enter alarm mode, pick AL1 or AL2 and set hour and minute. Press mode to confirm so the clock stores the alarm. Next, choose the sound, beep for simplicity or radio for a gentler wake, and adjust volume with VOL up/down between 0 and 10. This balances audibility and comfort. Finally, set snooze length to 5, 10, or 15 minutes, and enable weekday repeat if you want recurring alarms Monday to Friday. You finish by testing and understanding backup behavior. Switch to radio, use Tune to find a station, and save it to presets for alarm playback. This avoids dead air mornings. Then test any alarm by setting it 1-2 minutes ahead to verify sound, volume, and snooze. If the alarm fails, check AC connection first, confirm the CR2032 is installed, and verify AM versus PM selection. If needed, reset settings and reprogram. This quick troubleshooting resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.